How did your family take to this thing when you said you will be participating in something like this? Somebody push you या ये आपका decision था?
नहीं, it was my decision.
क्या बात है?
It was only my decision. When I told them that कि मम्मी क्या करोगे ऐसे, मैंने कहा no, I have decided I will go. So later on they supported me. Yes, you can do it.
Absolutely.
You go it.
It must be so much exciting for them
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
ना?
And I work hard for 2 months to come here.
क्या
Actually, I am
बात
telling
है?
you.
नहीं नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही
Because
बढ़िया.
I am always passionate about my goals. Once I have decided, I will do my best. अब यहाँ कुछ होता है या नहीं, that is something else. But I will do my best.
Being passionate about your
Yeah.
goals. Yeah. Being passionate about your
About my
goals.
goals.
Amazing, amazing. So, life is full of challenges, failures, and successes, but enjoyable if you overcome all the problems with decision wisely. So, life is all about the wisdom that you gather over the years. And so says, you need somebody with a lot of experience to be able to put it this way, that life is all about wisdom, you know. Because you should have been able to gone through that entire journey to be able to sum it up in that way. Because some things definitely come with, you know, a lot of experience. And we have Dolly Chawla with us over here today. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us over here. A retired banker and so much of zeal. Just imagine the potential. It's never a sunset in your life as long as you see the sun shining above your head. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being over here. How do you feel coming to this platform?
I am very happy and very excited. I don't know, because I can't imagine that I can be finalist.
You are. Now you are. And
No,
actually,
I am,
आपने अपना wisdom पूरा पिरो के उसको इसी के अंदर डाल के you have taken part in it.
That thanks to it to Ritika Vinay. She told me that you can do it. I told him so many times that I am 65 years old. She said no.
That's
You can-
that doesn't matter. I think age is just a number. मेरे को लगता है I think it doesn't matter at all. What matters is the spirit. How वो कहते हैं young at heart and young at mind.
Yeah.
कहते हैं I don't even say young at heart and young at mind. I would say willing at any point of time in life. If you're willing to do it at any point of time in life,
It can be done.
definitely आप कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
Just imagine. आप अभी देखिए, I was just watching Instagram पे there's this big cricket league happening. You know, 45-50-year-old people are playing that. So उस उम्र में उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है अच्छा उस लेवल का क्रिकेट खेलने की, तो सब कुछ हो सकता है या
Yes.
डेफिनेटली. आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ आके?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि दिस इज अ सेकंड type of journey for me. After 60 years, you cannot imagine that you can do this also. So I am doing it.
बहुत ही अच्छा. But you are still a director in a private limited.
Still, I am a director in limited company.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I am seeing the finance there.
Wow.
Because as a banker.
Being
I
a banker, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
So where do you come from?
I am from Delhi.
You're from Delhi only.
Yeah.
All right. कहाँ रहते हैं दिल्ली में?
Delhi में I am in Prashant Vihar.
प्रशांत विहार. Which side is this?
This is, I think you must be knowing Pritampura.
Okay, right. West Delhi.
Yeah.
Where? I was brought up in West Delhi, so we are actually related, you know.
Yeah.
Wonderful. How did your family take to this thing when you said you will be participating in something like this? Somebody push you या ये आपका decision था?
नहीं, it was my decision.
क्या बात है?
It was only my decision. When I told them that कि मम्मी क्या करोगे ऐसे, मैंने कहा no, I have decided I will go. So later on they supported me. Yes, you can do it.
Absolutely.
You go it.
It must be so much exciting for them also, na?
And I work hard for 2 months to come here.
क्या
Actually, I am
बात
telling
है?
you.
नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही
Because
बढ़िया.
I am always passionate about my goals. Once I have decided, I will do my best. अब यहाँ कुछ होता है या नहीं, that is something else. But I will do my best.
Being passionate about your
Yeah.
goals. Yeah. Being passionate about your
About my
goals.
goals.
Amazing. हाँ, क्योंकि अगर कुछ पाने की इच्छा है और उसके लिए कर रहे हैं तो
मेहनत
उसकी
भी करनी
तरफ
पड़ेगी.
मेहनत तो
करनी
एकदम
पड़ेगी.
करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सिर्फ चाहने से कुछ नहीं
कुछ
होता.
नहीं होगा.
चाहत तो एक चीज है, दैट इज अ रोमांस, बट
Yeah.
उसके लिए जो चलना है ना, वो जो जर्नी लेनी है, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है.
Even my children told me, मम्मी कब खत्म होगा? 2 महीने हो गए हमें आपको देखते हुए कि आप इसी
नहीं, आप बोलो अब शुरू हो गया, अब ये खत्म नहीं होगा, अब ये लाइफ लॉन्ग चलेगा. एक बार मैं वापस आ गई विद ऑल द एक्सपीरियंस.
आप हमें टाइम ही नहीं दे रहे. मैंने कहा नो, आई डोंट हैव टाइम.
Tell them that you have to come in line to take the autograph from me, because I'm going to become more popular from here now.
Yes.
Life has just begun.
Yes.
नहीं क्यों हो सकता है, बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड जिनकी लाइफ आफ्टर 60 शुरू हुई है, and they've all turned out to be amazing inspiration for all of us over here, right? So I think it is possible. मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ से बहुत कुछ अलग होने वाला है आपकी लाइफ में.
Thank you. I think this is a new card recognition. I think so.
नहीं, डेफिनेटली आई एम श्योर कुछ मेजर होने वाला है आपकी लाइफ में. बहुत
Thank
अच्छा
you.
ये हुआ है, तो इसके बाद और ज्यादा होगा. बाकी सबसे मिलके कैसा लग रहा है? बिकॉज हियर देयर आर वुमेन ऑफ डिफरेंट एजेस. कुछ तो ऐसी हैं जो माइट बी योर चिल्ड्रन एज,
Yeah.
है ना? तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Maximum are of my children.
Maximum, ना? Yeah.
But I'm very happy to see all the contestants are very beautiful. I think so.
Excellent. बहुत ही बढ़िया. सब्सटेंस आपके लिए क्या है इन अ वुमन? व्हाट वुड यू से इज सब्सटेंस इन अ वुमन? आपने इतनी लाइफ देखी है, तो मैं पूछूंगा, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज सब्सटेंस इन अ वुमन?
Substance in a woman means right now what I am doing या what I want to do. What do you want to ask?
सी मतलब कि मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि अगर मैं बोलूं कि जैसे हम बोलते हैं, लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव ना, व्हेन आई लुक एट सुष्मिता सेन ना, तो मैं कहता हूँ वुमेन ऑफ सब्सटेंस कहते हैं सुष्मिता सेन, वही नाम आता है एकदम ध्यान में, यू नो. सो उस वे में आपको क्या लगता है, व्हाट इज इट दैट डिफाइंस अ वुमन ऑफ सब्सटेंस? क्वीन ऑफ सब्सटेंस कौन है?
Queen of substance who is intelligent, dynamic, and sometimes demanding personality.
And sometimes demanding, of course. How can you have a queen who doesn't demand? That is very, very
Sometimes
true.
demanding personality.
Brilliant, brilliant. बहुत अच्छा.
Confident, intelligent, and but demanding personality.
But demanding, definitely.
Always.
Yeah, absolutely. Demanding भी होना चाहिए. Thank you
Demanding
so
होना
much.
चाहिए.
बहुत बढ़िया. That was a fun conversation that I'm going to remember for life. Thank you so much. You brought in so much of life into this entire podcast. Thank you so much. Again, so happy to collaborate with Mrs. India, Queen of Substance, Sudarshana Chetnur from the sets of the Great Indian Brand Show. अब जीतो भारत का दिल. आपने तो सबका दिल जीत ही लिया है 100% और आगे भी जीते रहेंगे. Thank you so much, Dolly जी, आने के लिए यहाँ पे. Let's have a round of applause for her.